Hi, welcome to this video. I'm going to guide you through how to set up two-factor authentication on Discord. Setting up two-factor authentication on Discord is the absolute best way to protect your account. Even if someone manages to phish or steal your password, they won't be able to log in without the temporary rolling 6-digit code from your phone. Before you start, download an Authenticator app on your phone, like Google Authenticator, Microsoft Authenticator, or Authy. Right? Now, go ahead to Discord. Press U at the bottom right. Tap the gear icon in the top right. Head over to Account. Scroll a little bit down. You're going to find Enable Authenticator app option. Press it. Hit Next. Follow the on-screen instruction. Now copy the code here below. I'm going to open the Authenticator app, hit the plus button, enter the setup key, name the account, let's say Discord. You can add like an email or a username just to verify that this is only for this account, right? Paste the key, hit add. Now the Authenticator code saved. Hit next. Now I'm going to verify by adding the Discord code. Paste. Now verify using your password and hit submit. Right? Enter your correct password, obviously. And I'm going to add this password. Hit submit. And basically, that's it. You now activated the two-factor authenticator. Consider liking this video. Subscribe it really helps with the channel. Till next time, see you.